Built in Lecce, Italy, New Holland's new C-Series backhoe loaders raise operator comfort and productivity to a new level. The new C-Series range includes models with power ranging from 97 to 110 horsepower. It will be a true asset for the many operations needing a loader with excellent versatility. The all-new, class-leading C-Series cab gives you more. More space, more storage, more visibility, more comfort, and a host of new features for an enhanced operator experience. The new design of the front and left console provides excellent accessibility. Once inside, a host of adjustments and features make it easy for the operator to find the most comfortable working position. The wider cab makes it easier to turn the seat when switching from front loader work to backhoe operation. Even the tallest operators will have enough legroom to comfortably operate on long working days. The new cab is not only more spacious, it also features plenty of storage space, including 2 lockable compartments, 2 bottle holders for open trays, and a ventilated cooling box. The wiper tank has been conveniently positioned close to the left door, so it can be easily refilled also from the ground. All controls are within easy reach when seating in loader and backhoe position. On the right-hand pillar, operators can find the air conditioning and brand new Bluetooth radio for music and phone calls. They can place their cell phone in the integrated holder, just below the radio. A USB port is also available on the side of the instrument cluster to charge their cell phone or other devices. A 12V port is positioned on the left side of the cluster for greater convenience and versatility. Operators will appreciate the new single multifunction proportional control lever for all loader controls, including the forward and reverse switch that can be activated or deactivated at the touch of a finger. The steering wheel console provides superior visibility on the loader arm, and a speedometer is also available as an option. New rear side windows, in addition to the slim cab pillars, provide better visibility when traveling or using the backhoe. Whatever the application, visibility and safety will always be maximized. New Holland has designed the C-Series to minimize the time required to carry out routine checks, with easy access to all key fuel, engine, transmission and hydraulic filters. And all engine servicing can be done from one side of the machine, for added convenience. Also, all fuses and relays are within comfortable, even when standing outside the cab. The 4.5-litre, turbocharged FPT engine delivers a big performance in a small package, with the lowest maintenance costs in the market. With this engine and the outstanding driveline, you can always count on best-in-class traction and power to move heavy materials and objects. The New Holland B115C model can be operated in one of 3 steering modes. Conventional front-wheel steering, ideal for normal loading and transport applications. 4-wheel steer for best maneuverability with no impact on stability. Crab steer, for fast and agile operations. This will ensure great versatility and maneuverability on every job site. The same versatility can be also found on the front loader, available in 2 designs to choose from. Straight or tool carrier. Both solutions feature return to dig, float modes and auto glide loader suspension to speed up your cycle times. Owners will also be able to choose from the 4-in-1 or 6-in-1 buckets, both available as standard. When it comes to digging, power and performance are enhanced by the curved boom design. With inline cylinders, effort is reduced, visibility is improved, and the general digging performance is enhanced. Depending on your needs, you can count on a wide set of options to meet every demand. Standard or long dipper for extended reach, mechanical or hydraulic side shift option, and conventional mechanical or full proportional controls. The wide pad stabilizers ensure safety in all operations. The new C-Series will be a true asset for your operation, whatever job you need to do. The spacious new cab, bristling with comfort and productivity-boosting features. The high lifting, digging and breakout forces. The extreme versatility, the easy maintenance and low cost of ownership make the C-Series backhoe loader your ideal performing partner. Every day, everywhere.